Let's Speak French GH. Merci. Bienvenue encore. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les moyens de transport. We are going to learn means of transportation in Ghana or generally. Okay, so first of all, we are going to talk of places that we can use this means of transportation to. So you can go to places like the market, le marché. Nous pouvons aller au marché, that's the market, à l'école, school, à l'église, church, à la mosquée, mosque. You can go to the bank, à la banque. So how do you get to these destinations? You are supposed to get a means of transportation. So first of all, I'm going to list the transportations or the vehicles or the items through which we are going to go to those places with. So the first means of transportation is moto, the moto. And in French, the moto is known as la moto. La moto. Le deuxième moyen de transport or de voyage au Ghana est le bus. That's the second means of transportation. Le bus. Ça c'est le deuxième. Okay. Le premier ou la première c'est la moto. Numéro 2, le bus. We also have one that is called trotro. Yes, le trotro. So those in Ghana or Africa know what I'm talking about. Trotro. Nous avons aussi le vélo. Le vélo. Le vélo is the bicycle ou la bicyclette. La bicyclette. The next one is le taxi. Le taxi. We also have le train. Le train. Le train is train. Le train. That is train. The next one is avion. Avion. So I'm going to now go through that again for you to hear. We have la moto, le bus, le trotro, le vélo, le taxi, le train, l'avion. So I'm going to now put these things in sentences to know how they function. So I can say, je prends un taxi pour aller à l'hôpital. Je prends un taxi pour aller à l'hôpital. Simply means I take a taxi to the hospital. Je prends un avion pour aller en Amérique. Je prends un avion pour aller en Amérique. I take an aeroplane to the United States of America. Je prends un vélo pour aller à l'école. This means I take a bicycle or I use a bicycle to school. Je prends un train pour aller à Takoradi. Je prends un train pour aller à Paris, which means I take a train to Paris. I take a train to Paris. Je prends un train pour aller à Paris. Je prends une moto pour aller chez mes amis. I take or I go to my friends by using a motorbike. Une moto. Okay, so this is where I would like to end our lesson on les moyens de transport au Ghana or les moyens de transport en général. Nous pouvons voyager par avion, par taxi, par moto, par trotro, par vélo, par bicyclette. Okay, so hope to hear from you in our comment box. You can ask questions or you can like to suggest anything in our comment box and we attend to you promptly. Thank you. Merci. This is Let's Speak French. Parlons français. Au revoir. Bye bye. Thank you.